Hello friends, welcome to my channel Frontend Source Code. Today I'm going to share you Go Food food delivery application with the source code and PHP admin panel. Let's start from clone the project. Go to the Google Chrome and open github.com slash frontend source code. So you can see there are a lot of repository are there. So out of them, Go Food, we are going to clone this project. So copy this project, or you can download as a zip file. So if you copy and you can clone here, cp open command prompt, then type git clone, paste it here, or you can simply download and extract the files. So let's clone the project. So wait for some time. So it will download our project into our repository. So wait for the some time. It's cloning our project. Let's wait. Our cloning finished. So go to cd go food, then type npm install. It will install all our libraries. So let's wait for to finish all installations. Okay, so our npm install completed. Let's open this code in VS Code. So code space dot to open the code in VS Code. So it will open our code in VS Code. So you can see my codes. So open the project. Here you can type. You can see all our node modules installed. So let's link our project. So link npx react native link. Okay, to link our assets or fonts to Android and iOS project. So after that I can start npm start our server. So open another command prompt. So type npx react native run open Android. Okay, so it will run our Android application, start our Android. So it will now our emulator is launched. Wait, see, our emulator is launching. So let's wait for installation. So within the time, so we are going to check the admin panel. So for admin panel, we can check odzone.00webhost.com. So 00webhost.com is a free web service providing web hosting service provider. So you can host a single website in that 000webhost.com. So it is totally free. So let's go to the admin. So you can use an admin, and password is uh, admin at the rate of 2020. So log into that. So you can see there are lot of orders are there. So go to the categories. So you can add category or manage category. So let's add a category. So here you can insert any new category like food categories like burger, okay, or you can also insert the different language, suppose English to Hindi, English to Hindi. So we can burger, burger, right? So you can see the Hindi also you can insert here. Okay, so let's put, okay. So copy, select this burger image. Okay, then add this data. So category added successfully. Let's check in our manage category. Yes, you can see. So burger is there. Okay, also burger is there. So let's delete this one. Okay, so here burger is there. Ready? So you can update this name also. Let's see. You can update this name. So let's go to the item section. Item means whatever items you are going to add. So in manage item, here list of items are there. You can see the list of items are there. So you can edit those icons, sorry, those items, or you can here one is home page. Home page, yes or no, that means do you want to show this item in your home page. Here is a option to show this item in home page or not. So you can add also item. Here you can add item also. You can provide any name and category. You can see burger category is there, and also you can add any description and price, discount price, and image also. So active inactive is for the active any suppose there is no food, no more food, so you can deactivate this item. So for that reason we are adding active or inactive. So prepare time means how much time it's required to prepare that item. So orders basically give us the order details. So here we can check the list of orders, and user details gives us the user details, and banner section to so add any banners or edit update that banner, those things. Offer is for offer, for a managing the offers. You can add offer also. So once our application is ready, then I can show that where in which section what we are showing. Okay, so let's check our application. It's oh, yeah, so it's running successfully. So let's slide. You can see the delivery, fast delivery. These are the welcome screen. After that you can create a new account. So just create a new account. Okay, let's say content source code. So so you have to provide actual email here because in the next we have to verify that email ID. So you can enter the password and go to the sign up. So registration successfully. So once registration successfully, you will come to the OTP verification screen. Here is a in case your OTP email is not found in inbox, then please check your spam. So if you are checking any means you are getting any email and it is not in your inbox, then you can go to the spam folder. There you can get your emails. Okay, let's check. Okay, you can see one email came. So here, if an email is not in inbox, you can go to the spam, you can check it here. So maybe sometimes our email goes to the spam because we are using free web server. For that reason, sometimes it will go to the spam folder. So once you will get the verification code, so you can see 186549. So let's go to here. So you can provide or you can resend also. Once you resend means it will resend OTP. Okay, you can see another email came. So 170673. So we have two email. This one is first email. So another one is second email. So this one I'm going to use 170673. 170673. Okay, so let's verify OTP. You can see email verified successfully. So whenever you will come to the home screen, here you can get the banners, right? Here are the banners. We are getting the banners, right? So you can see. Yes, so you can see our banners, whatever banners we are getting here. Let's show you. All banners are here. Okay, so here three banners are there. So here you can get three banners. So other things, these are the categories, whatever categories are here. So you can see all the categories are available. You can show all the category like this way. You can see Hindi text also there. Here also you will get the Hindi text. So you can add any language text there. So these are the home page, whatever I have discussed that we are going to show in home page. So based on our item preference, so here suppose I am going to show this one chicken rice bowl here. So if I click on this, so it will give me the okay. So so you can check this item in your home page. So go to, if I refresh, so pull to refresh if anything you are checking. So sometimes you will not get any product because of some issue in the server. That time you can refresh also. So you can see whatever data we are getting. This one, right? This one we have added as a in home page, right? That's why it is showing here. Okay. So these are the offers. Whatever offers here we are getting offers. So you can see these offers we are going to show here, and these are the recommended products. Like these are the newly arrived, like whatever we have added newly, those things. Okay, so let's go to the category. So if you go to the category, you can see the list of items, whatever items we have. So click on the image, you will get this description page or details page, or you can directly goes to the details page also. Okay. So if you click it here, so you can go to the directly to this details page. So here we can add, so click on this. Suppose I am going to add some rice item, I can go to the directly and add your product. Okay, you can see. So this data is updating in your database. So I'm going to add two items. You can see two items in your cart. So you can go to the cart section. Inside the cart, we have two items. Everything is coming from the database, even if this calculation also. So go to the checkout page. So you have to add the address. So there is no address. Let's add an address. Add the mobile number. Add a mobile number 98654 Okay. Add address. Test. Test address. Enter your state. Karnataka and Bangalore 560020. Okay, save this. So you get the address and you can see all your items. Right now, online payment is not available as per the client customer's request. We will add the online payment. Otherwise, always cash on delivery will provide. Okay. So you can see the orders placed successfully. Let's go to your orders. You can see here, you can see your profile option. Okay, here my cart, there is nothing in your cart. Then go to your my orders. You can see here one orders here. So you can see your total number of orders and order ID. So all order details are here. So let's go to here. Suppose I'm going to the orders. Sorry. So I'm going to the orders. So you can see let's, so you can see so this is my order. So I can view my order here, or you can, if a user want to check the details or orders in the content. So in the dashboard you can see uh, latest 30 orders here. You can update this order also here. You can just confirm. So you can go to your application and go to your orders. You can see the status change to confirmed. So like this we have created this application for small and medium mm, restaurants. So kindly share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. So you can log out also.